Circularity comes through in the generational use of public space. A place that, has a everlasting kind of meaning and emotion and feeling that stays there for years to come and is passed on from generation to generation. My name is Yinka Ilori. I'm an artist designer who lives in London. I have a small practice where we try to harvest and cultivate joy in public spaces. And our main focus is storytelling. So my mission is to bring joy to people around the world. That is what I think my calling is, yeah. I think for me, I'm really interested in kind of the human connection to an object and to a material. How objects and materials can kind of allow us to create memories, but also allows us to be vulnerable and, invite communities into a space or material or an object. When you work with a new material, you're looking for the sensibility in that material that can allow you to kind of, tap into a new emotion or feeling or a new idea. And I think materials have the power to do that subconsciously. For someone who grew up in London, I've always been around carpets. And for me, carpets are rituals that really kind of bring people together, whether it's about food or dancing, praying or singing. So I'm really looking forward to kind of seeing how I can bring joy into my collaboration with Tarkett, through my kind of personal experiences. Also, I think for me, looking forward to kind of bringing people together for the ritual and the love of carpet making, but also the ways carpets can sort of tell stories. Coming here today and sort of being immersed in the factory, I was really obsessed and sort of excited to sort of see the process of how they make their carpets. But there is so much honesty in the brand that I did see firsthand, particularly with how they recycle their carpets, the backing of the carpets, and how they use water to kind of create chalk, which again is used on the carpets. I mean, it's incredible. It's given me a lot of ideas of ways of telling that story within my installation. I think one of the things I did find quite interesting here was this kind of idea of movement. It felt like it was an orchestra. The wool being spun and the materials sort of, like dangling, and the movement, the sound. Being here has given me sort of new ideas and things to kind of reconsider and think about. And that might inform sort of a new way of thinking into how I might approach this collaboration with Tarkett, yeah. But I'm excited though.